Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by removing the wheel and setting it on a stable stand. This prevents wobble and gives full access. You'll degrease thoroughly so paint bonds. Use a dedicated wheel cleaner, rinse and dry. Now sand aggressively where old finish exists. Begin with 120 grit to strip flaking clearcoat, then refine with 320 grit around lips and spokes. Make sure dust is gone before moving on. Any residue will show under primer and ruin adhesion. Once done sanding, you must mask carefully. Protect the tire, valve stem, and lug holes with high-temp tape and plastic. You'll use an etch primer to promote bonding. Spray 2 wet coats, keeping each pass even and allowing a 5–10 minute flash. After primer cures to touch, scuff lightly with 600 grit to remove nibs and ensure uniform surface tension for paint. Make sure temperature and humidity are within product specs, so curing and adhesion stay reliable. You'll apply the black top coat in 3 thin, even passes, holding the can or gun about 8–10 inches away and moving smoothly to avoid runs. Once done, allow 10–15 minutes flash between coats so solvents evaporate and layers level. If you want gloss protection, add clear coat after the final black has flashed, otherwise leave satin matte. Once fully cured, reinstall wheel. If you see orange peel or runs, wet sand gently and recoat. Small chips can be touched up immediately.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.